Police in Vancouver now say the gang shooting that injured 10 people over the weekend is linked to a murder in October. It's part of a recent return of violence to the city's streets, a trend that has police on edge. Deborah Goebel reports.
Police now say the gunfight was likely in retaliation for a murder in October. It's been more than 30 years since Jim Mandolin was in a gang, but when it comes to getting even, he says the culture hasn't changed.
You mess with me, mess with my bros, I mess with you.
This is an ongoing part of this gang war that has been going on for some time now, especially since the shooting of Gurmeet Dak.
Gurmeet Dak was a convicted gangland killer, gunned down in his car outside the Metrotown Mall in what is believed to be a targeted hit.
What that leads to is tensions and instability as these individuals either try and align themselves or try and address whatever may have happened, whether it's retaliation or certainly addressing of a personal issue.
Retaliation and the fight for power, says Mandolin, is a big part of the gang code.
The gang wars are always going. You just, don't always get killings like sprees like this.
Sunday's shooting is just the latest in a string of gang-related violence in the Lower Mainland over the past 2 months. There was Dak's murder at the Metrotown Mall on October 16th. 5 days later, 2 men were shot in Richmond. Then on October 27th, police arrested 7 armed gangsters at Kensington Park. On November 8th, a man was shot dead in his car in New Westminster. Just last Friday, 2 men were shot in the middle of a Coquitlam intersection. And then early Sunday morning, the 10 people, all with gang connections, shot on Oak Street.
Gang warfare, drugs, drug dealing. This particular one sounds like somebody hurt somebody, so we're going to get even with them. And,
Police are trying to reassure everyone in this neighborhood that the shooting here Sunday was gang-related and targeted. But with the presence of yellow tape still up at the crime scene and police cars everywhere, it's a tough sell. Deborah Goebel, CBC News, Vancouver.